So CMP, I would say now has roughly 75 to 80% of the cleaner parts available now to do a 280, 180, 280, 380. Um, the parts are, I mean, you can't even tell the difference. They are so comparable to the OEM. One of the new parts that we're excited with is our 280 bag. Now has the ability to clip on. Our bags are probably, 20% less than the OEM, give or take. This is an actual Polaris body, but every part on here, well, not every part, but most of the parts are CMP parts. So the tires, the wheels, the screws, the hose float, the bag, all CMP parts.